Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur Ramananda Nongmaikapam has officially released the electoral roll of 49 Tadobi Assembly constituency today. The electoral roll was released during a press conference held today at the auditorium of CEO Lamphilpat. Speaking to reporters, Ramananda announced that special summary revision for by-election to fill vacant seats was completed. He continued to inform that the total voters enrolled for Tadobi AC, which have a total of 81 polling stations, was 48,642, out of which 24,470 are male voters and 24,212 are female voters, further announcing that 981 voters from Tadobi AC have been newly enrolled in electoral roll. He added that 55 voters were also cancelled during the special summary revision.
Election Commission of India for the immediate process in the Matuna, the Dubi, Assembly Constituency, and electoral votes of the electoral registration officer, Onker, Apunba, for the voter machine, a city full of one, Tatu, and food show. City Manunga, for the Nipa, voters, Simple Malika, Zambi, Putra, and the Dubi, voter, Simple Malika, Zambi, and City Manunga, for the Sita and Pantana, but the category that young voters had that. Masih Singapura, Sambi, very smart. And the electoral population ratio masih 40.51%. See where see improvement like the gender ratio like that. Masih 989 out of 1,000 male voters, the number of female voters see 989. And the polling station masih see